Hi, this is Angela of midmodernmama.com, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer a child's signature to a piece of fabric which you can then embroider and keep forever. I did this as part of my Sunprint handprint pillow project, and the tutorial for that is on my website. There are all kinds of instructions, but this is a small piece of that project, and you could do it in a variety of different contexts and use this technique in a variety of ways, not just for kids' signatures, but that's what I happen to do. The tools you'll need to do this, you need the signature in the right size, so use a copy machine if you need to, or have the child write it in whatever size you need. In this case, I'm using a scrap of fabric, but you would need whatever your project is. And then you'll need a pencil. I'm using a Fat Boy, but any pencil will work as long as it has kind of a nice soft lead. And you'll need a fabric pen with disappearing ink. This one is air and water soluble, so it will actually disappear after a couple of days, which those I prefer to the ones that you have to wash out, at least for embroidery projects. So here we go. I have the signature on a piece of paper. We just turn it over, and the first thing you do is take your pencil and color the back. Nice and dark, and you want to make sure that the graphite is in all of the areas where the signature was. So just color that. Then you take your fabric. Normally mine would be pressed and a semi ready to embroider piece, but this is just a scrap that I'm using to illustrate it. Put it down on the fabric and get it lined up wherever you want it to be. And then take your pencil and with a good amount of pressure, trace the lines of the signature. Be sure to pick up those dots at the end. Now, check. Before you lift it up completely, check. And if you have a lot of writing, you could even tape this down. But check and make sure it came through. And in this case, it did. See that graphite just transferred over. And now, for embroidery purposes, I like to go over it with this disappearing ink pen. It just makes it easier. The graphite will kind of pick up on your hands and disappear too quickly, and so the disappearing ink gives you 24 to 48 hours depending on the brand of pen, sometimes longer even, to get that embroidered. And in this case, this would only take 30 minutes maybe to embroider. But there you go. Now I have that signature on a piece of fabric, and I can go through and embroider it, and it'll be good to go. Check out my whole tutorial for my Sunprint handprint pillows on my website. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.